Understanding statute of limitations in motorcycle accidents in Colorado. In Colorado, the statute of limitations for motorcycle accidents is a critical legal concept that every rider and accident victim should be well acquainted with. This temporal boundary dictates the window of opportunity within which a lawsuit can be filed following an accident. Its purpose is to ensure that cases are brought forward while evidence is still fresh and witnesses' memories are intact. What is the statute of limitations? Definition and purpose. The statute of limitations is a legal framework that establishes the maximum period during which a person can initiate legal proceedings after an incident has occurred. Its primary purpose is to maintain fairness in the legal system by ensuring that cases are resolved within a reasonable time frame, preventing individuals from facing the threat of litigation indefinitely. In the context of motorcycle accidents in Colorado, the statute of limitations serves as a safeguard for both the injured party and the defendant. By setting a clear time limit, it also helps maintain the integrity of evidence and the reliability of witness testimony, which can significantly impact the outcome of a case. Applicability in motorcycle accidents. When it comes to motorcycle accidents in Colorado, the statute of limitations applies to personal injury claims arising from these incidents. This includes claims for compensation related to medical expenses, property damage, pain and suffering, and lost wages. General time frame. In Colorado, the statute of limitations for motorcycle accidents is typically set at 3 years from the date of the accident. This means that an injured party has a 3-year window from the date of the accident to file a lawsuit seeking compensation for their injuries and damages. Discovery rule and delayed onset injuries. In some cases, injuries sustained in a motorcycle accident may not be immediately apparent. Colorado recognizes the discovery rule, which allows the statute of limitations to begin from the date the injury is discovered or reasonably should have been discovered. Moreover, this rule accounts for instances of delayed onset injuries, which are not uncommon in motorcycle accidents. Conditions like whiplash or internal injuries may not manifest immediately, but become evident days or even weeks after the accident. The discovery rule ensures that victims in such situations are not unfairly penalized for delays in recognizing their injuries. Exceptions to the rule. While the general statute of limitations for motorcycle accidents in Colorado is 3 years, there are exceptions to this rule that may warrant special consideration. One notable exception involves cases where the accident victim is a minor or has a legal disability. In such instances, the statute of limitations may be tolled or extended to protect the rights of these vulnerable individuals. Additionally, when a government entity is involved in the accident, there are often stricter deadlines for filing a claim. It's crucial for accident victims to be aware of these specific requirements, as failing to meet them can result in the forfeiture of their right to seek compensation. Factors affecting the statute of limitations. Comparative negligence in Colorado. Colorado follows a modified comparative negligence system, which can impact the statute of limitations in motorcycle accident cases. Under this system, if the injured party is found to be partially at fault for the accident, their compensation may be reduced proportionally. This highlights the importance of conducting a thorough investigation to establish liability and determine the extent to which each party contributed to the accident. Product liability considerations. In cases where a defective motorcycle part contributed to the accident, a separate product liability claim may be pursued. It's important to note that product liability claims may have a different statute of limitations than standard personal injury claims. Product liability claims have a 2-year statute of limitation. So if you believe your accident was caused in part by a defect in your bike, you should act quickly to preserve your right to seek compensation for the defect. Importance of timely action. Waiting too long can result in the loss of critical evidence and the fading of witness recollections, which can significantly weaken a case. Consulting with an experienced personal injury attorney promptly after an accident ensures that all necessary steps are taken within the required time frame. The trusted Denver motorcycle accident lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys are experienced with a wide range of accident claims involving motorcycles. Contact our Denver law firm today for a free consultation with one of our motorcycle accident lawyers. FAQs. What happens if I miss the statute of limitations deadline for a motorcycle accident case? If you miss the deadline, you may lose your right to pursue a lawsuit for compensation. Can the statute of limitations be extended if new evidence emerges in a motorcycle accident case? In certain circumstances, such as with the discovery rule, the statute of limitations may be extended if new evidence comes to light. Consulting with an attorney is crucial in such situations. How does comparative negligence affect my motorcycle accident case in Colorado? Comparative negligence can impact the amount of compensation you are eligible to receive based on your level of fault in the accident. An attorney can help assess the implications of comparative negligence in your specific case. What steps should I take immediately after a motorcycle accident in Colorado? Seek medical attention. Document the accident scene. Gather evidence and contact an attorney as soon as possible. Taking these steps early on can help protect your rights and strengthen your case. Are there specific considerations for minors involved in motorcycle accidents in Colorado? Yes, special considerations apply when the accident victim is a minor. It's important to consult with an attorney to understand how the statute of limitations may be affected in such cases.